Hi guys, welcome to another daily market forex analysis. I'm going to try and do this within 10 minutes. I'm going to show you a breakdown of price action for currencies today, and I'll also show you if there's any trade setups. So I always get started on the DXY, so we can see DXY is approaching the daily resistance. Why is this a resistance? Because price made a lower high here. You can see this was a previous lower high, so this area is a resistance. So this is where price could potentially touch and go retrace down, or it could breach it, form a higher low and go up to this region here. But we'll have to wait and see. Price is approaching it, so it could potentially go down from here, or it could be in a range and go up or down. Today is a Friday, so I expect not much movement today. If we look at the H4, there's also a H4 resistance here, so I expect price to be in a range today, and then next week it would reject the daily support, daily resistance, and go down to this level here. That's what I expect, or could even breach it and go to this level here, but we'll have to wait and see. So that is the DXY. DXY is at a resistance, so we could expect the Euro USD and GBP USD to be a support. Before I go on to that, you can see your price action is at support, so we're expecting a reversal to go back up. If we go to the H4 time frame, we can see prices at the DH daily support. It's also a H4 support. If I just get that sorted out, so the H4 zone is this one here. Yellow is H4. Price made a lower high here, lower low. This is the most recent lower high, so this is your H4 resistance. Price looks to be going to this region now. If we go to the H1 time frame, we can get our intraday levels. So to do your intraday levels, you get the Fibonacci tool out, which is this one here. Look at the previous day's price action. So today is Friday, Thursday. I've got these breakers here to show you the previous day. Get the price from the high of the day to the low. Get your price action, your Fibonacci tool. Drag it from the high to the low. Here's your levels for today. Price is currently at a support. I would have bought here at 10 o'clock this morning. I would be in a buy trade with something like this. So I'd be risking 8 pips to win 26 pips. That would be my trade set for today. And if I entered, I would be in profit. But we'll see how it goes. I'm not trading today. I've been in meetings all day, so I don't really have time. Go to Euro USD. Weekly, it's at a weekly resistance. If we go to daily, it's breached the daily support. It's potentially going down to this level here. Potentially. Go to H4. This would be your daily. Here you've got a H4. This would be your H4 resistance. Why? Price is made higher high, higher low, high. Price has changed direction. It's now going down. It's formed a lower high, lower low, sorry, lower high. This is your most recent resistance. Here it's formed a lower low. So this is your most recent resistance. This is your most recent support. And then you can identify that the trend has changed, or price is actually bearish. However, price is now at daily support. It's also at H4 support. You've got a bullish candlestick here on H4, so you can see if there's any trade opportunities. So what I'd do is, this would be your H4 resistance. You go to the H1 time frame. Remember, if you want to intraday levels, you get the Fibonacci tool out, which is this one here. You get a look at the previous day's price action, which is this one here, the high of the day. Drag it to all the way to the low. These are your intraday trading levels for today. When price is at the level or close to the level, you take an entry. Price, it was at the level, it rejected it. If you want to enter a buy trade, you can do so. You can enter on this candlestick here, and stop loss of 16 pips, just under this lower low, and a TP of 53 pips. So that would be my trade setup. And obviously, if you want to break it down further, you go to M15 time frame, look for a nice candlestick, Could have entered here or any of these candles. It's still quite good. You could have entered it on the one before as well, that one there. Yes, so anyway, that's a trade setup for Euro USD. If you look at GBP USD, it should be similar price action to Euro USD, where prices are support and you can enter a buy trade. So as you can see, price is H4 at H4 support. Let's update the levels. So here's your H4 support. If you go to H1, get the retracement, Fibonacci retracement tool. Remember, you're looking at previous day's price action, the high, the previous day to the low. Just repeating the process, guys, same again, time and time again, where you trade in demand and supply zones. Support and resistance, prices was at the support level, it rejected it. You can see DXY is also at resistance. You can enter a buy trade as so. With your entry on this candlestick here, you can even break it down further to an M15 time frame if you wanted to. So you can enter in any of these candles here, and if you want to even further break down, you can go to M5, reduce your stop loss even further. So that shows you that you're risking 11 pips to win 47 pips, so risk to reward ratio 4. Simple as that, guys. I'm flying through them. This is years of experience, years of analysis, years of trial and error. I am confident in my analysis. You'll need to win 4 trades out of 10 to be profitable. Simple as that. That's another entry that you could have took on GBP USD right now. If you want to go ahead and enter, you can do so. If you look at Euro USD card, if you look at the daily time frame, price is at a daily support. It's now going up. If you look at the H4 time frame, you can see it's at H4 resistance, so it's potentially going down on a H4 scale. So this would be your most up-to-date support, and that's your resistance. If you go to H1 time frame, you want your Fibonacci tool out. Go from the previous day's price action, the low of the day to the high. Simple as that. Repeat the process once again. Price was at your daily H4 and H1 resistance at 6 o'clock this morning. If you wanted to enter a sell trade, that would have been a good trade to enter. 8 o'clock in the morning when London session opened. Stop loss just above the high low, higher high, 12 pip stop loss, and your TP target profit is 27 pips. So that's another trade setup you could have took today. And lastly, let's look at EJ to see what happened. It's at a daily support. It's a green candlestick. It's bullish momentum. Buy trades today. Go to H4 time frame. Here's your most recent low high. There's your most recent low low. Price is expected to go to this region here. Go to the H1 time frame and get your intraday trading levels. Look at the previous day's price action. So the high of the day to the low, or even the low of the day to the high, because price reversed. This would be your intraday trading levels for today. Could have entered a buy trade at 8 o'clock this morning, which was this candlestick here. That would be your TP of 57 pips, your stop loss just underneath of 12 pips. If you go at M15, could have entered on this candlestick, this bullish candlestick, this one as well. 8:30 or 9:15. If you were in the trade, you would have won 57 pips. It's easy as that, guys. I hope you enjoyed the process. Keep trading, It's part of the process. It takes time. Just remember, your end goal is financial freedom. One day you will get there if you don't give up. If you don't give up, it will happen one day. If you do give up, it will never happen at all. Trust the process, guys. I went through this to try and make it less than 10 minutes. Make sure you keep watching, make sure you keep subscribing. My website is in development, my course is still in development. More news to come when that is released. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.